Hello all, we are here to help you to avoid the most crappy solar installers in Australia. Australia has been already ahead in going renewable and adapting solar. That's why you'll find hundreds of solar installers, and some of them are really great. But there's a chance that you may be stuck with a shady solar installer. Here are some signs of bad installation. Here's a photo of a solar panel with most of the shade over it. Most of the solar panels are covered with tree shade and are placed in line. So these will be producing very little energy over the daytime compared to those panels that have continuous exposure to sunlight throughout the day. Here's another picture that shows panels not aligned together. If your solar installer proves to be lazy by not even lining the panels correctly, what shortcuts must they have taken in the whole installation process? This image shows a conduit outside the panels. As it looks horrible on the roof, you are also exposing the conduit to the harshest UV rays for 25 to 30 years, which won't last for that long time. These are some major issues one can face while solar installations at their place. Here's how you can avoid a shady solar installer, and not waste a huge amount of money. Firstly, please check all the reviews of the solar company you are opting for on Google Reviews. Please go and read the worst reviews and find out the reason why they got that review. Next, avoid buying the cheapest solar system, as they are just attractive with prices, and will come with bad quality components in the market. This will lead you to replace your solar system or inverter soon. Another aspect to consider is your solar installer's experience level. How knowledgeable are the sales professionals? How long have they been in the solar business? Designing your solar system according to your requirements is equally important as installing it professionally. AYKA Solar will assure you that we have an experienced in-house solar installation team. Please go and have a look at our happy customers review in the link given in the description. We have maintained a happy 5-star review and continue to do that. Call us today and take a step towards saving a massive amount on your energy bills, as well the environment. If you are going solar, go with the best.